Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is on the chapter 2 of the class 8 science subject, the microorganisms. Microorganisms, friend and foe. Friend means here beneficial and the foe means non-beneficial, or it's a kind of a enemy which are not beneficial to human beings or any organisms. So here, firstly, what are the microorganisms? A general meaning is, as the name suggests, microorganisms. Micro means the minute or the small. Organisms means the living things. The small and minute living things are the living organisms which we cannot see through our naked eyes are called microorganisms. Microorganisms are present all over in environment and we cannot see through the naked eyes. The soil are full of tiny organisms, though not all of them fall into the category of microbes. These microorganisms are so small in size that they cannot be seen through our naked eyes. And then the microorganisms are classified into the four major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. And viruses also present. A best example is the coronavirus, which are not beneficial to us. Commonly, viruses cause the diseases for the human beings or for the animals. They cause the diseases like cold, influenza, or the flu, and more cough are caused by the viruses. Serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are also caused by the viruses. But the diseases like dysentery and malaria are caused by the protozoa or protozoans. What are the means of the protozoa? As the name indicates, proto means the first, zoa means animal. The first formed animal in the earth is protozoa. These are like a bacteria and etc. And the diseases which are caused by the bacteria are typhoid and tuberculosis. Then the question which arises is, where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms may be single celled like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, or multicellular such as many algae and fungi. They live in all type of the environment, ranging from ice cold climate to hot springs and deserts to marshy lands. They are also found inside the bodies of animals, including humans. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms while others exist freely. So then, microorganisms and us. What is the relationship between the microorganisms and us? Microorganisms plays an important role in our lives. Some of them are beneficial in many ways, whereas some others are harmful and cause diseases. Let us study about them in detail. Firstly, the friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for various purposes. They are used in the preparation of curd and the bread and the cake. This is a very common example. So, when we add the yeast in making of the bread, the yeast gets reproduces rapidly and produce carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase its volume. This is the basis of the use of the yeast in the baking industry for making breads, pastries, and cakes. And then came to the commercial use of the microorganisms. So, microorganisms used for large scale production of alcohol, wine, and acetic acid or vinegar. Yeast is used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruit juice, etc. So then came to the medical use of the microorganisms. When you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic tablets, capsules, or injections, such as penicillium. The source of this medicine is microorganisms. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganism. Such medicines are called antibiotics. Here, the important thing is antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of the qualified doctor. Also, you must complete the course prescribed by the doctor. If you take antibiotic when not needed or in wrong dose, it may make the drug less effective when you might need it in future. Also, antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the beneficial bacteria in the body. Antibiotics, however, are not effective against cold and flu as these are caused by the viruses. So, here I complete the part 1 of this video or this chapter microorganisms, and I will explain the other half in the part 2. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.